Hey folks, so today we're going to talk about why you need to RTFC. What does that stand for? Read the contract. Why is that so important? Most people, believe it or not, don't know what legalese type language means. And even if you do, you know what the words mean, you don't really know what they mean when they're strung together. There's specific legal meaning that from, thousands of years of case law that's all lopped into these special terms like due diligence and reasonableness and business judgment rule and on and on and on, right? That is what lawyers go to law school for. That's what we get our JD for. That's what we learn. That's different from normal parlance, from normal language, right? Here's an example of why you need to RTFC. We had a company that was taking on some new investors. Everybody loved everybody. It was wonderful. They had about $500,000 that they were investing into my friend's company, which was great, seemed great. But they gave them a partnership agreement that was about 100 pages long. I said,
how about I review this for you and tell you what all of this means so that you know what you're signing?
They said,
Bro, how much are you going to charge for that?
and I'm like,
I don't know, a couple grand?
and they're like,
Well, how long is it really going to take you to read this?
and I'm like,
This is dense legal language. I'm happy to read it and I'm pretty good at translating this stuff. But, it'll take like a day, maybe more. And then we got to talk about it.
and they're like,
Bro, that's too much money. Like, I just don't feel like we're not going to change anything at all.
and I'm like,
You're going to have to change probably some things because you don't know what's in there. I mean, do you want to take that risk?
and they're like,
Yes, absolutely. I'm not going to, this is a, adhesion contract. We're just going to sign. We're just going to rubber stamp whatever it is.
and unfortunately, that's what they did. So, bring a horse to water. Years later, this investor made an enormous problem, and we had loads of litigation and negotiation with the other side, and it ended up being like a $40,000 or $50,000 legal bill just to get them out of this. And that's not to mention, all of the other stuff that went wrong because they didn't.
RTFC.
As a rule of thumb, RTFC, and as a better rule of thumb, have your lawyer do it for you.